No flush.
But hippo, and they only grow to about 1,000 pounds. Mommy hippo right over here. See, like back left there, baby. I just came up for a breath of air, but mommy is hiding baby really well. There. Baby hippos usually weigh in anywhere from about 55 pounds to about 110 pounds. These crocodiles are actually known as the Nile crocodiles. The Nile crocodiles are actually the second largest variety, feet long, and they do come in weighing in at about 8 foot. Looks like we have a little baby giraffe over here. I love pointing out babies. Yes, this little guy, his name is Humphrey. He was born about a month ago. Hi, Humphrey! Savannah, very excited that he's here with us, happy and healthy, of course. Giraffes. A group of flamingos is also known as a flamboyant. Yes, here in Africa is home to 2 of those 5 species, and this guy over here on the right-hand side is known as the white rhino. White rhinos are the largest, as they do grow to about 5,000 pounds. Now, white rhinos actually get their name from the Afghan word bite, ten.
Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing?
Simone! The line is connected! We can't have this celebration!
Hey guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go! Every creature of the world can see.
When my thing goes up.
What?
They might shoot water.
Look, is that where the comet is?
1,000 miles an hour. It creates massive waves.
Here, go across the bridge. Let's go. You want me to go first? Oh. Are you ready to move on? Go to Tough to Be a Bug. Hey.
Identify.
Don't go in the restaurant yet, though. Stay out here for now.
Here's the unicorns.
Oh yeah, the unicorn fish.
Is that a unicorn, Cal?
Looks like it. Kellen, what ride are we waiting for?
Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway. Bye.
No idea. It's really good.
Everybody kind of wants a campus where they're all together. So it's K through 3 is it? 4 through 7.
Kellen, stay right there, Kellen.
Daddy,
Good morning. So it's welcome to Slinky Dog Dash. Order to keep your wait time.
Slinky Dog Dash!
Are you okay in the front?
Quiet, everyone. I think I hear Andy coming. Everybody, freeze. Shh. Don't move.
Run.
In here anyway. Those 3D movies. Put on your glasses, Stanler. Yeah. Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask. That's not a mask. Oh, sorry, lady. The seats.
On behalf of Herman.
No, the not famous people.
Are you looking for adventure or for trouble? Go with adventure. We've got enough trouble.
Here's Kelton's favorite part of Star Wars. Yeah, where are we? We're like deep inside some building, right? Like, I mean, like, what can't they?
BB-8 is my jam.
You're right. Wait, is this together?
Oh, they're like moving a little.
This will probably
They're
be
moving like the Hall of Presidents.
Yeah, there's definitely a Trump in there. See, these are Disney.
How many do you have?
3.
You're going to be over here on the red
You
line.
got it. Thank you.
These are straight up Disney, like, Tower of Terror.
Are you talking about this? Are you talking about that one?
Helen, you can't go up to him.
Yeah, he doesn't have a mask on.
What about that? That is pretty cool.
Yeah, wear a smock.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. Super strong. Donald is number 1.
Wait, chisels on the other side.
Bye. Thank you. Capolinos. Beautiful in here. More info.
Oh,
Jellyfish?
that's probably
Knife. There's a whole song going on?
Helen.
Whose birthday? Look, see, they're doing. They're differently shaped ones. Right? You just walk.
I don't want to hold it too far over the edge.
Let's go to your next thing.
Who's this guy? There's enough chlorine in that pool to kill people.
Oh, I'm sure. Oh, yeah.
I'm still not going over there.
You're true, Seth. Hopefully we don't get the E. coli.